Hello everyone, I am Afikur. Today I am gonna show you a interesting website for online earning. Many men tell me, bro, please give me a website they doing a perfect payment system, not a scam, only legit website. Okay, so today I am show a legit website. This website not scam. I am tell you again, this website not scam. Okay, this website name is The Traffic Business. It is a Indian website. Look and do look here. This website is secure. Okay, look, this website is secure, and you can go to details option. You can go to details option for more information. I'm going to there details option for more details. So it is a advertisement watch website. Okay, and it is really more important. It is a investment site. Okay, it is a investment site, but don't worry, it's really legit website, not a scam. I am personally work here. Okay, the launch date is this website launch date is 15 January 2017. Okay, 1 hour total, 1 hour working, 1 hour and 1 month working. Total member, look, total payouts, look, commission paid, and Alexa rank. I am tell you later for commission paid sometimes later. Okay, watch next. Welcome to the business traffic business, and why join us. Okay, why join us, please watch perfectly and read perfectly this option. It is very really helpful. Okay, look there, their minimum invest $5. Okay, and 150 max cash out, 7 days a week. Wow, really great, huh? 5D minimum, $5 minimum invest, and an on week 150 cash out. It's really amazing. And look here, every day 15 odd, and you can reserve it's hard. ঠিক আছে, very okay. Look here, 8% referral commission, 8% referral commission. This is the commission. Okay, this is the commission paid. You can ask me why commission is so high, why total payout is too low, right? Look here, look here. Okay, look here perfectly. Direct referral 8%, level 2 referral 2%, and level 3 referral 1%. I mean referral commission on 3 level. Even then look there, our reserve sharing investment plan. Okay, plan 1, plan 2, plan 3, plan 4, plan 5, and plan 6. You perfectly read their system. Then I'm going to our safety. Okay, I had safety, look, safety system, 3 safety system, and we accept money. The traffic business is accept Payer, Payja, PayPal, coin payments, perfect money. Okay, so join now. It's really a trusted site. So I am going to details space. Look there, details. This is the admin WhatsApp. This is registration. This is verify online registration link. Okay, then other details. Okay, First, yeah, you need any help, you can contact with me at my video comment, and you can contact with me at my page, Facebook page, and other way to my profile, Facebook profile. Okay, and so now I am going to show you how to make a account at the traffic business. So I'm going to now write join now. You can use that app from download Google Play account. Okay, I'm going to join now. Okay, join now. Then look here. First here, fill do fill a username, then your first name here, your last name here, and then here password, repassword. Okay, then here a mail, your valid mail here, and payment process, what type account you use for your payment here, Payja, Coin Payment, PayPal, Coinbase. I'm from Bangladesh, so here Payja is accepted. Okay, payment process ID, very important. I mean payment process ID, that is the email do use for create a your payment processor, I mean payment method use. Okay, then select the your country. Okay, select your country. Then here fill your address, then contact number, then enter captcha, this captcha. Here you if anything, if you don't understand, you can change your captcha. Okay, then here click I agreed with the term and condition, then click register. I am already registered here, so I am going to login. First then I'll tell you, go to your email address, then verify this account. Okay, then log in your account, captcha fill, then login. I hope everybody understand. If you don't understand, so please tell me. Okay, please really tell me. Okay, then invest your. Okay, then go to add fund as the finance, then go to finance and add fund for add some money. I am already tell you it is a investment site. Okay, then look here, minimum investment 5 USD, maximum $10,000. Okay, amount, fill amount here, and then payment process, 3 payment process, Payja, Coin Payments, and PayPal. Okay, then enter captcha, capture and submit. Okay, I am already fund here total. I'm already fund here total $50. So I am now look here how to I am buy a ad here. Look, I'm already here, cash balance 50 USD. Okay, and earning balance and repurchase balance, commission balance is 0. Or you can refer my refer. I'll give you the video description for referral link. Okay, now I am going to finance and purchase position for buy ads. Okay, I'm going to purchase. Please look carefully. Here plan is 6 plan system buy ad. Plan 1 on USD purchase. Plan 2, plan 3, plan 4, plan 5 and plan 6. Okay. I am use plan 5. 20 USD first. Then purchase. Here click. Okay. Okay. Then everything is okay here. Here everything is okay. You can change repurchase, earning balance. You can change anything, but I have only cash balance $50, so I am use this. Okay, enter the number of share you wish your push. This is many very important. I am use here 1 because I want to invest purchase balance $20 USD, and then enter captcha. Okay, here 0. Okay, I want to change this. Okay, then click here look perfectly. Okay, if you don't understand, I am tell you again and again, don't understand, comment now, and you can contact with me at my page, and you can contact with me at my personal Facebook profile. Okay, I hope everybody understand. Okay, then I am pay now. Click pay now. Okay, age. Look, position purchase successfully. My cash balance is 30 USD. 20 USD already cut. Your return, look, 1 to 5%. I hope please everybody look this. Then I'm going to the traffic business. Uh, the video is very big. Okay, I'm already watch here to show total 15 ads every day. I am already watch 11 ads, so now show 4 ads. Okay, though I am click here for watch ad, how to watch ad. Okay, then click here, then it's loading. Here it's loading. Have loading. Loading. Uh, I am tell you again and again, it's not a scam site. Really, it's not a scam site. It's a legit site, very trusted. I am personally talk from their admin. Okay, here admin is really honest. I am, if it's scam at future, I will tell you. Okay, so don't worry, you can work here. You can work at in phone. Okay, because here sorry, then look here, it's loading. 10 seconds only. Then look perfectly here, look this box and click here, look in box in I, then click in I. Okay, then next site loading. That is the rule. Okay, for watch ad. Okay, then here is like icon, so click the like icon. Then next site, watch this type. Okay, it is too easy for earning. I recommend all to work here. Okay, I'm telling you again, I recommend all to work here. It's really legit website. Okay, then here is highway, maybe. Okay, next site. Okay, I'm go to back account because this video is too long. Please look the video carefully for understand. If you any problem, comment now. Okay. Okay, look here. 15 ads again after at-hour, at-minute and at-second later. Okay. Your earning balance is at in 24 hours. Okay, so don't worry, it's a really legit website. It's really legit website. Okay, so have any problem, you can have any problem, you can contact with admin. This is admin WhatsApp, and you can contact Facebook page, Facebook group. Okay, and you can use mobile app from Google Play Store. Okay, this is the app here. You can use app. Okay, I hope everybody understand. So please uh, watch my next video on this website for payment period. I will upload this video 3 to 5 days later. Okay, so please hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon for more video. Okay, and any problem, please tell me, comment, and you can contact with me at my, and I will say give you the registration link, so don't worry, and any problem you can contact with me. Oh, so everybody have good day. Bye bye.